Hey, my name is Nikki. Today I'm gonna show you how you can easily paint fireworks with watercolors. The colors I use for this video are yellow and red for the fireworks and Prussian blue and indigo for the night sky. I will show you two ways to paint the fireworks. For one, I will use masking fluid, and for the other one, I will use a white crayon. I use a piece of 100% cotton paper today. I recommend you to use an older brush for the masking fluid and a bigger round brush to paint. The one I use today has size 8. You also need 2 glasses of clean water, a palette to lay down your watercolors, and a paper towel to drip off your brush. Okay, let's get started. At first, I sketch out the fireworks. I try to do them in different styles and sizes to have a bit of variation in my picture. I start with a circle and mark the center. Then I draw many curved lines that comes out of the center. All of these lines are a bit curved towards the bottom. Then I give every of these lines a bit like a teardrop shape. For the next one, I also start with a circle. This time I draw many straight lines from the center to the outside. For the third one, I also start with a circle, but this time I draw many short lines from the center to the outside, and each of them ends with a big dot. I paint a few firework rockets taken off from the side. Then I add 2 more exploding fireworks to my picture. I will use crayons for these 2. I drew a banner into the center of my painting that I will cover first with masking fluid. I fixed the paper with washi tape on a thick cardboard. That way the paper isn't buckling when I use a lot of water, and I can turn the paper around if I need to. If the masking fluid has dried, I use yellow and start painting over the first areas where I placed my fireworks. I use a pig paint in the center and water it a bit down towards the edge. Then I add red to my palette and do the same for the next area. And so I go on for every section. Sometimes I paint yellow in the center and red on the outside, or I add yellow towards the center as long as the paper is still wet. If everything has dried, I use the masking fluid to cover the areas I sketched out before. For the last 2 fireworks, I used the crayons instead of the masking fluid. The result is quite similar, but you don't have to remove the crayon at the end. I also used the crayons and some of the other fireworks here and there. Then I lay down some Prussian blue onto my palette. But before I use it, I moisten the paper. I used a bit too much water here, so I use a paper towel to remove some of the water again. Then I add the blue paint to the paper. While I was painting, I decided to use the paint directly from the pen because I wanted it to be nice and opaque. For the edges and for the areas where there are no fireworks, I used indigo because I wanted it to look a little darker there. Then I dry everything with my heat gun. I clean everything of the excess blue paint so that it doesn't smudge when I remove the masking fluid. Then I take a new paper towel and start removing the masking fluid with it. Time to remove the washi tape. For the extra glow, you can use some white gouache and add some more details to the fireworks. And if that's done, the fireworks painting is finished. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my weekly videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye!